I was sent this new SEYVUM Leaf Blower by SEYVUM to review. So you sort of have the best of both worlds. You can pull it, you can set it, and you can go full turbo if you need it. So let's do a little bit of comparison here. And then this one. That's amazing. Well, this thing definitely packs a lot more punch. I don't know if it's the brush motor. I mean, they're both the same 40 volt, but this motor really puts some speed out there. What I also like about this is this turbo button, and you can hear it as I do it, that this one just delivers a lot more power and certainly blows those leaves up a lot higher. So I think if you're gonna look for a cordless one that's super powerful and gives you a nice range to work in, this brushless one is the way to go.